How to create mockups in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure you have logged into your account. Now as I've logged into your account, all you need to do is just tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen that you can see over here. So just tap on this plus icon and you can select a custom size post over here. I'm going to select an Instagram post because that's the perfect custom size that I would prefer. And as you tap on that, it will start to load the page. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now here, just tap on the gallery and upload your design that you want to add for the mockup. So I'm going to tap on the gallery over here. And as you tap on gallery, select the picture that you'd want to have and then tap on add to page. So as you can see, I've already added the logo or the picture over here. Now just tap on the elements and tap on the search elements and search for mockup over here. As you search for mockup, it will give you the options. There are various options over here. So just select one of these options that you can see over here. So I'm going to select on a very random one over here. So let me just select a t-shirt over here maybe. So I'm going to select on the t-shirt, and as I select on that, all I have to do is just tap on that picture and then tap on this option of position. So we're going to just search for the option of position over here. So we cannot find it here, so we're going to go back and tap on the position section and then tap on the backward option. So when you tap on backward, now just take this picture of your logo to that picture or that frame right there, and it will get adjusted according to your image over there. So you just have to drag the picture over the mockup and then just enlarge the size. So make sure that you get your picture into that frame of the mockup. So you can just tap on the picture and drag it to your mockup over here. So let's do that, and as you drag it, it will show the preview as well and show how it will adjust. And just wait until it loads and make sure you have the proper stable connection, and there you go, you have created mockups in Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.